students, myself Mehboob Pasha, and today in this session we will solve the problems of exercise 6.4 of algebraic expression sign identities. Students, let us solve the problems from first main. Okay, so what they have given, multiply the binomials. Okay, so here in this main they are given binomials. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to find the product of those binomials. Okay, so here let us solve the first question. Okay, so what they have given, 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. Okay, so these two are the binomials. So now what we need to do, we need to multiply this. Okay, so what is the first step? Write this one as it is, and as we need to find the product, so in place of and we have to write multiplication sign. Okay, 2x plus 5. Okay, students, you can write here into, or you can write only bracket also. Okay, you can write here into, or you can left it. Why? Because bracket indicates always multiplication. Okay, let it be here. I will write multiplication sign. Okay, now what is the next step? As you are having two binomials, you can keep any one binomial as it is, and you can divide the other binomial into two parts. You can keep this binomial as it is, and you can divide this binomial into two parts, or you can keep this binomial as it is and you can divide this binomial into two parts. Okay, now here what I will be doing means, I will be keeping this binomial as it is and I will be dividing this binomial into two parts, that is 2x is one part and plus 5 is other part. Okay, now write here first part 2x. Now write this one 4x, okay, minus 3. Okay, we have written the first part. Next we have written this binomial as it is. Now second part is what? Plus 5. Okay, so write here plus 5. Now write this same as it is, that is 4x minus 3. Okay, now bracket indicates multiplication. Okay, so 2 4s are 8. X into x will be x square. Okay, now here what we need to do, we need to first multiply 2x with 4. First we need to multiply 2x with 4, and next we need to multiply 2x with minus 3. Okay, so here first I have multiplied 2x with 4x, that is 2 4s are 8, x into x will be x square. Okay, now here plus is there, here minus is there, so plus into minus will be minus. 2 3s are 6, and here there is no x, and here there is x. Okay, so write x. Okay, now come to this. This is completed. Okay, now here plus is there here, and here also plus is there. So now we need to multiply plus 5 with this binomial, that is we need to multiply plus 5 with first 4x, then with the minus 3. So here plus is there, here also plus is there, so plus into plus will be plus. Okay, 5 4s are 20, here x is there, so here there is no x, so write x. Now students, plus minus, plus into minus will be minus. 5 3s are 15. Okay, now what we have got, 8x square minus 6x plus 20x minus 15. Okay, just observe this carefully students. So here these two are the like terms. Okay, so we know that we can add or subtract like terms. As these two are having opposite signs, so what we need to do, we need to subtract. Okay, so 20x minus 6x will be, so forget about the variable part if you are getting confusion. Plus 20 minus 6 is what? Plus 14, and write x, and here minus 15 is 0, so write 15. Okay, so this will be the solution for the given problem. Students, now let us solve the second question. Okay, so here what they are given, here also there are two binomials, that is y minus 8 is one of the binomial and 3y minus 4 is the other binomial. Okay, so here, so write y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Okay, as I told you, in these two binomials you can keep any one binomial as it is, and other binomial you have to divide into two parts. So here I'll be keeping this one as it is, and this I will be dividing into two parts, that is one part is y and other part is what? Minus 8. Okay, Now write here y. Next write this one 3y minus 4 bracket close. Okay, next write the second part, that is 8. Next write this one here, that is same thing, 3y minus 4. Okay, now students, nothing is there means 1 will be there, so 1 3s are 3, y into y will be y square. Okay, now here nothing is there means plus will be there, so plus into minus will be minus. Okay, so 1 into 4 will be 4. Here y is there, here there is no y. Okay, so write y. Now this part is completed. First we have multiplied y with 3y, next we have multiplied y with minus 4. Okay, now come to this part. So here minus is there, here plus is there, so plus minus into plus will be minus. 8 3s are 24. Here y is there, here there is no y, so write y 24, y minus 24y. Minus into minus will be plus. 8 4s are 32. Okay, and now look at here students. So these two are the like terms. Okay, so here these are having same sign. So what we need to do? So here minus 4y and minus 24y will be minus 28y. Okay, plus 32. So when we come across the same sign, then what we need to do? We need to add. Okay, so this will be the solution for the second problem. Students, now let's solve the third question. Okay, so here what they are given, 2.5l minus 0.5m and 2.5l plus 0.5m. Okay, so here write this one as it is, 2.5l minus 0.5m into 2.5l plus 0.5m. Okay, so here students, so now you can keep any one binomial as it is. Okay, so we will keep this one as it is, and we will divide this one, that is into two parts. First part is what, 2.5l, and next part is what, minus 0.5m. Okay, so right here 2.5l Okay, so we have divided this into two parts. First part we have written here, and this one we have written here. Next part we have written here, and this one we have written same as it is. Okay, so now first what we need to do? We need to multiply this 2.5l with 2.5l. Next we need to multiply this 2.5l with 0.5m. Okay, now here both the side plus is there, so 2.5 to 2.5 will be 6.25. Next L into L will be L square. So here plus, so plus into plus will be plus. Next 2.5 into 0.5 will be 1.25. Next L into M will be LM or ML. Okay, now come to this part. Here minus is there, here plus is there, so minus into plus will be minus. 0.5 into 2.5 will be what? 1.25. M into L is what? ML. Okay, here minus, here plus, so minus into plus will be minus. 0.5 into 0.5 will be 0.25. Okay, next M into M is what? M square. Okay, now so these two are the like terms. Here plus 1.25 ml is there, here minus 1.25 ml is there, so both are will get cancelled. Okay, so what is remaining? 6.25 L square minus this one, 0.25 M square. Okay, so this is the solution for third problem. Students, now let us solve fourth question. Okay, so here what they have given, a plus 3b and x plus 5. Okay, so we need to find the product of these two binomials. So first write a plus 3b into x plus 5. Next, what is the next thing? You can keep anyone as it is. Okay, so here I will be dividing this one into two parts. This one I will keep as it is. So now a, next this one x plus 5. Okay, so next here 3b. Next write this one, x plus 5. Now next we need to multiply a with x, next a with plus 5. Okay, now here 3b with x and 3b with 5. Now a into x will be ax. So here plus into plus will be plus. A into 5 will be pi a or a5. You can write. Okay, now this part is completed. Now come to this part, plus, and here also plus. Plus into plus will be plus. So nothing is there, means 1 will be there. So 1 3s are 3. B into x will be bx. Okay, now 3 5s are, so here plus into plus will be plus. 3 5s are 15. Okay, so here no b, so here b is there, so write b. Okay, so as here there is no any like terms, so this will be the solution for fourth problem. Students, now to solve fifth question. Okay, so here what they are given, 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. Okay, so write here 2pq plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. Okay, so here what is the next step? So I will keep this one as it is and I will divide this one into two parts. Okay, so write first part here 2pq. Next here write this one as it is 3pq minus 2q square. Okay, now write this one plus 3q square. So 3pq minus 2q square. So here first we need to multiply this one with this, next we need to multiply this one with this one. Okay, now 2 3s are 6, both the side plus is there, so don't get worried. 2 3s are 6. P into P will be P square, Q into Q will be Q square. Okay, so here what we have got, 6 P square Q square. Now plus into minus, here minus is there. Okay, so plus into minus will be minus 2 2s are 4. Here is there, here there is no P, so write only one time P. Next Q into Q square will be Q cube. Okay, next this part is completed. Now come to this one. So here plus is there, here also plus. So plus into plus will be plus. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now here P is there, here there is no P, so write P. Q square is there. Okay, so Q square into Q will be Q cube. Okay, next Q square into Q is what? Q cube. Next here plus into minus will be minus. Okay, next 2 3s are 6. Q square into Q square will be Q to the power 4. Okay, now look at these students. These two are the like terms. Okay, P Q cube is a P Q cube. Now, so write this one as it is, 6P square Q square. Okay, next, when there is opposite sign, so what we need to do? We need to subtract. 9 minus 4 is what? Plus 5. And write this one, P Q cube, and this one minus 6 Q to the power 4. Okay, so this will be the solution for fourth problem. Students, now let us solve sixth problem. Okay, so here what they are given, 3 by 4 a square plus 3 b square and 4 of a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Okay, now what we need to do? We need to write this one as it is. So 3 by 4 a square plus 3 b square. 3 by 4 a square plus 3 b square. Next into 4 a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Okay, students, here look at it. Here somewhat different is there. Okay, so first what we need to do means we need to multiply this 4 with this binomial. Okay, so first keep this one as it is. So 3 by 4a square plus 3b square. Okay, next into 4 into a square will be 4a square. Okay, next plus here minus here. Okay, so minus 2 4s are 8. Here divided by 3, so write 3b square. Okay, what we have done, we have multiplied 4 with this binomial. Now we can keep this one as it is and we will divide this one into 2 parts. Now 3 by 4 a square. Next write this one as it is, 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Okay, next this one. Write this one as it is. Okay, students, so now what we need to do, we need to first multiply this one with this. Next, we need to multiply this term with this one. Okay, so here 3 by 4a square into 4a square. Okay, now look at here. 3 by 4 into a square will be 4a square. Okay, so students, here everywhere multiplication sign is there. Okay, as I told you, 3 by 4 a square is nothing but 3 by 4 into a square. Okay, so we will solve this one further. Next, here plus is there, here minus is there. So plus into minus will be minus. Okay, next 3 by 4 a square into 8 by 3 b square. Okay, so 3 by 4 a square into 8 by 3 b square. Now this part gets completed. Now come to this one, plus into plus will be plus. Okay, so now look at here, students. 3 4s are 12. So b square into a square is what? A square b square or b square a square. Okay, now here plus is there, here minus is there. So plus into minus will be minus. So 3 b square into 8 by 3 b square. Okay, so we have solved up to here. Now you can write, you can multiply this one. Okay, like 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12, and here divided by 4 is there. So divided by 4. A square into a square will be a to the power 4. Okay, next minus is there, no, so write minus 3 8s are 24, and here divided by 4 is there. So and here divided by 3 is there. So 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 3 8s are 24, 4 3s are 12. Next, a square b square is what? A square b square. Okay, next write this one, 12 a square b square. Okay, next this one, minus is there, no, so write minus. Here nothing is there, means 1 will be there. Okay, so 3 8s are 24. B square will be b to the power 4. Now divided by 1 3s are 3. Okay, so we have got what we have got, 12 by 4 a to the power 4 minus 12 by 12 minus 24 by 12 a square b square plus 12 a square b square minus 24 by 3 b to the power 4. Okay, so we will continue this one here. Okay, so 12 by 4 into 8 to the power 4 can be written as 12 by 4 like this. Okay, so we will write as this minus 24 by 12 a square b square plus 12 a square b square minus b to the power 4. Okay, so here look at here, students. So just put multiplication sign here. So you can cancel this. 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24. Okay, and now here 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. So now I will rewrite this. 3 into 8 to the power 4 means 3, 8 to the power 4. Next, minus is there, so write minus. 2 into a square b square will be 2 a square b square, and this one plus 12 a square b square. Next here minus 8 b to the power 4. Okay, now these two are the like terms. So now here 3 a to the power 4 minus 2 a square b square plus 12 a square b square. Same now, so like terms are there. So 12 minus 2 will be plus 10 a square b square, and this one is what? Minus 8 b to the power 4. Okay, so this will be the solution for 6th problem.